Hi, my name is Jose Arias, and today I'm going to be talking about Seeing AI, an app to help the blind see the world around them. Let's get started. This is the short text reader. It will read anything you put on the screen or under the camera. I'm going to try this box over here, but it'll read anything on the back, and if it gets things wrong, it usually goes back and reads it again, which may get annoying to some people. I'll demonstrate that here.
Manual lock. Specification. Telephoto lens.
Now, I
Magnification.
do have more to say
12x.
about this, but
Angle
this
of
app
view.
has a few
900.
functions in it, and
Size.
I want to get through
31
them,
x 78
and I'll give you my
millimeters,
full thoughts at the
including
end of the video.
telephoto lens. Phono
But
case.
for what this does,
Universal bracket.
it does
Mini
pretty good.
tripod.
But if you
Cleaning
turn on
cloth.
voiceover,
Instruction manual.
it reads at the speed your voiceover is at. So you can have it reading at a very high speed. Let's continue. This is the document scanner. It'll scan anything you put underneath it. That's document shaped. I'm going to use this box. It will help you line up and take the picture correctly. Now, it does need Wi-Fi, so it takes a while to load. And when you get it loaded, it's in a format that's easy for you to read with VoiceOver, and it's not like some of the other apps where it'll get a big chunk of text and all you have to listen to is all of that text. This will actually let you listen to it little by little, as if you're reading something on Facebook. Alright, let's move on. This is the product scanner. It looks for a barcode on anything you have by those beeps, and when it's lined up, it'll take the picture automatically. Then it'll tell you what it is. I used a water bottle, and this is what it gave me. So it's not as accurate as it can be, but it's what I have, and it doesn't really work the way it should. It needs more work. Hopefully in the next update. This is the Scene Beta. So what it lets you do is take a picture of the environment around you, like I took a picture of a flashlight in my iPhone box, and it gives you a result. Yes, it's the incorrect result. But this is beta, and I can't really bash it for that. Another good feature, which is also still somewhat in beta, is the ability to take any photo from your photo library and allow Seeing AI to recognize it. So all you have to do is go to Share and then go all the way over to where you see Recognize with Seeing AI, and it will tell you what's in your photos. So I had a simple mobile picture, and it told me exactly what was in the photo. It told me all of the things that were involved with the simple mobile plan just by looking at the screen of my TV, which is what I took a picture of. So it works out really nicely unless you have something with really high or really bad contrast. So multiple colors like grass on a sidewalk, it's really not going to understand what you're looking at, unfortunately. So that's what I have to say on the app. Or this feature of the app, anyway. This app has its problems. The face detection feature is mediocre at best. The Scene Beta is, as it says, still technically in beta. So I really can't give it too much, criticism. Because it is still a beta. It is still being worked on. It's not a complete product. It will say a TV is a fireplace, or a box is a phone, or even a ring. So it's not as great in that regard. The barcode scanner is, well, terrible. It's kind of funny the things it comes up with whatever you scan. I have a friend who scanned a bag of snacks, and it turned out to be dog food. Yeah, it's not dog food though. So it's very interesting the things it comes up with. The photo recognition to tell you what's in photos, it's nice whenever there's text in the photo, so you can understand a meme or something like that. But for anything else, it may fall short. Now, the document scanner is fantastic. because that would be something that'd be good to use in college if a professor hands you a document, as well as the short text reader, which can, give you all of the abilities to just read a random sign. Pull the phone out of your pocket and just read something in front of you in a couple seconds. Lock your phone, drop it back in your pocket like nothing, and just be on top of things. Now, this is an app that I can recommend to everybody. Even though it's still in beta, still download it. Give it a try. If you don't like it, delete it. Come back to it later whenever it's more complete. And I'm thinking in the future it might actually cost money, so I do recommend downloading it regardless if you think it'll help you or not. Give it a try. Play with it a little bit. If you don't like it, delete it. But again, it's still in your account and it's still one of the apps that you purchased, even though it's completely free. My name is Jose Ariz, and I will see you in the next video.